Okay, we have arrived at Port Orleans French Quarter. It's very lovely. It's about 10 o'clock at night. It's a very pretty resort. And we found our room. We can even see right there. We can see through the window. It's all pretty. We can even see our name is on the TV screen. But we can't get in. All our magic bands turned red when we tried to open the door. So Megan has run to find the front desk to see if they can fix at least hers or all of ours or something. Okay, so really quick tour while Viviana from the front desk went to reset our magic bands, but we're also noticing that the door does not close all the way. So there is also something wrong with the door.
She looked really concerned when I told her that.
Yeah, show her when she comes back. So really nice curtains. I love how the theming carries over to the air conditioning unit. There's a nice table with 2 chairs here. And there's Mardi Gras beads. And a little note from the housekeeping team. There's a mirror over the table. And then there's a big dresser with, wow, big deep drawers. 3 big deep drawers. And then there's a beverage cooler in here. Not a fridge. Big TV with ice bucket, cups, coffee maker, which my kids will appreciate. Oh, there's a really cute bench over here with hooks over it. Really neat hooks. And then the thermostat is 2 queen beds with a nightstand in between with a phone and a drawer. There's 2 plugs and 2 USBs. Gideon Bible in the drawer. A bunch of switches, which I'll figure out later, probably for these lamps. Really pretty picture on the wall. And there's a towel Mickey on the
That's cute.
bed. That is really cute. These are queen beds. And then there's a really pretty decorative detailing and a curtain. Oh, a very soft curtain that goes across the bathroom. Big hanging space. Here's the garbage and the recycling. There's a safe in the wall. Oh, I remember we had this at a safe like this at Port Orleans, the other Port Orleans, Riverside. And then there's an ironing board, extra pillow and blanket, 2 sinks with really nice big counter and shelf space, H2O products. And then there's more storage underneath. And then in here, shower tub combo, not the greatest for me, but really pretty tile work. Rainfall shower head. I do like the glass shower door better, but I understand how this goes better with the theming. So there's a shower curtain. Any towels, the toilet's in here too. A little shelf. And the H2O bath products, again, mounted in the bathroom. So that is our room at Port Orleans French Quarter. If you enjoyed this room tour, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any of our future content on this channel, make sure that you're subscribed. Have a great day, everyone. Safe travels.